So last class we did this diagram, a dipole, north pole, south pole, center, P, join in P, SP, this was B1, B2, two component, uh, cos, B1 cos, sine wala got cancelled. Okay, this much you have drawn the diagram?
Yes, sir.
So I'm now explaining you theory. One of the easiest chapter of the syllabus we are doing magnetism. After this lecture, any lecture you all have? After this class, anybody is having lecture?
Yes, sir.
Who is having class after this?
Coming.
Who?
Ninja.
Nija. Which subject, Nija?
Maths.
Maths you have. From what time to what time?
130 to 330.
Pardon, beta?
1 to 3.
So after 3, everybody is free today? Yes,
नो
after 3.
सर मेरा कॉलेज है
कितने से कितना?
1 से 5:30 तक
अच्छा अच्छा. But daily you are attending college? Few days bunk the college and practice MCQs. Huh?
सर आई कैन प्रैक्टिस इट लेट नाइट
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है ठीक है. So you can manage ना time. You are able to manage no time.
यस सर
This is Aditya Pillai na?
यस सर यस सर
Okay. Your see performance has drastically improved. Maintain it. Okay.
ओके सर
Right. Consider a short dipole SN having magnetic length 2L, comma, pole strength small m, comma, dipole moment capital M equals to 2Lm. Let O be the center of dipole. Therefore, OS equals to ON equals to L. Let P be a point at a distance R from center O. Draw NP, comma SP. Therefore, NP equal to SP root of R square plus L square. Let measure angle PSN equals to PNS equal to theta. Please write this much.
Done, sir.
Okay. Magnetic induction at P due to North Pole, comma B1 is mu naught upon 4 pi m upon np square. So B1 is mu naught upon 4 pi m upon root of r square plus L square the whole square. So mu naught upon 4 pi m r square plus L square, equation 1. It is directed as shown. Let's copy this also till B1 wala. Vaishnavi, you are there?
Yes, sir.
What you practiced yesterday?
75 to 100 MCQs.
That you have practiced.
Yes, sir.
Tell me formula for magnetic induction at any point on the center of circular coil. Tell. What you are doing now? You are searching in Google. Hello?
Yes, sir.
You are searching in Google, I said.
No, sir.
So then tell the answer, no? You don't know formula and you are telling you practice 74 to 100. That means I am trading on the wrong horse, it seems. Four students will keep their book ready in the next class for correction. Hitarth, Kathan, Vaishnavi, and Nandani. Nandani, you are there?
Yes, sir.
These four students will keep their book ready for checking in the next lecture. Every lecture I will check for four students' book. And I will tell which students, yes. So these students will wait after the lecture in the next class for 5 minutes so that I can check their books by putting the video on.
Okay, sir.
Vaishnavi, you got the answer? Magnetic field at center of circular coil? Or you want four option? Did you get the answer?
No, sir.
Then what you are practicing? You are telling you are practicing. You are fooling yourself. Formula you don't know, then what you are practicing? So those who are cheating themselves or cheating the teachers, at the end you will get cheated. Then don't tell if something goes wrong in the exam. Then I will remind you, you are cheating yourself and teacher. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Shall I clear it?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Magnetic induction at point P due to south pole, comma B2 equals to mu naught upon 4 pi m upon sp square. So mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r, root of r square plus l square the whole square. So B2 is mu naught upon 4 pi m r square plus l square, equation 2. It is directed as shown. Next line, B1 comma B2 can be resolved. B1 comma B2 can be resolved into two rectangular components. B1 sin theta comma B1 cos theta and B2 sin theta comma B2 cos theta. Copy now till this.
Done, sir.
Okay. Everybody has done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Ane present, Ane?
Yes, sir.
Karan Bora present? Karan Bora present? Ane, Karan is present?
No, sir. I think he is not there.
Is not well?
Sir, I don't know why he's
Oh.
not there.
Okay. Karan Goyal present?
Yes, sir.
Swaraj? Mohit?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, okay,
Sir.
okay, okay, okay. Since B1 sine theta and since B1 sine theta and B2 sine theta are equal and opposite, hence they cancel each other. Thus, resultant field comma B is B1 cos theta plus B2 cos theta. Since B1 is same as B2, so it will be B1 cos plus B1 cos. So B is 2 times B1 cos theta. 2 times mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r square plus L square. Cos theta is adjacent side L upon hypotenuse root of r square plus L square. So 2 times mu naught upon 4 pi 2lm upon r square plus L square raised to 3 by 2. This whole bracket power is 1. This whole bracket power is half. 1 plus half is 3 by 2. But 2lm is capital M. So B is mu naught upon 4 pi capital M upon r square plus L square raised to 3 by 2. Okay, please copy till this. हेलो हेलो अरे मनीष मुझे आना है लेकिन तो टाइमिंग सुबह ना नींद नहीं मिलता यार 7:30 का लेक्चर रहता है देखो मुझे तो पता ही है आप मुझे बोल रहे मेरे इसके लिए चलो हाँ, मेरा पूरा पैक शेड्यूल है यार मेरा मतलब शाम को या तो लेट होता था फिर भी देखो एक वीक मुझे मैं वापस ट्राई करता हूँ मैं 6 बजे कल ट्राई करता हूँ पहुंचने के लिए एक 2 दिन अगर मैं आ गया ना तो फिर मेरा लिंक हो जाएगा नहीं लेकिन क्या वो अगर ऑफिशियल्स का प्रॉब्लम है तो आप भी कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे ना तो मैं हाँ नहीं कोई बात नहीं हाँ नहीं मैं ट्राई करूंगा सुबह 6 बजे कल एक बार वापस कल क्या थर्सडे है ना कल 7:30 का लेक्चर है यार ट्राई मारता हूँ देखो 2 दिन खाली आ गया ना तो मुझे मालूम है वो रूटीन हो जाएगा नहीं डेली है खाली वेडनेसडे छोड़ के हाँ आज आज नहीं सॉरी वेडनेसडे नहीं ट्यूसडे छोड़ ट्राई करूंगा डेफिनेटली यार मेरे को तो आना ही है कि उसको मेरे को खुद को बॉडी ठीक रखना है ठीक है यस यस थैंक यू Yes, please copy till end.
Done, sir.
So we did what is dipole, then we did what is magnetic length, geometric length, axis, equator, dipole moment, torque experienced, equivalence between current carrying loop and bar magnet, that is M equal to NIA, then B at any point on axis, B at any point on the equator. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now derive expression for magnetic field at any point. मतलब एक्सेस इक्वेटर किधर भी हो सकता है, at any point due to short dipole. At any point due to short dipole. Again, same old history. Consider short dipole Sn having magnetic length 2L, pole strength small m, dipole moment capital M equal to 2Lm. Let O be the center of dipole. Therefore, On equals to OL equals to L. On equals to OS equals to L. Let P be a point at a distance R from center O such that line joining OP makes angle theta with the axis. Please draw this much. Yes, diagram done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. M bar is a vector quantity or scalar quantity? M bar.
Vector.
Vector.
Very good. So can I resolve vector into two rectangular components?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So as M bar is a vector quantity, it is from South Pole to North Pole. We can resolve it into two components, M cos theta along OP and M sin theta perpendicular to OP. Please draw these two components. In the diagram, draw these two components, M cos along OP and M sin perpendicular to OP.
Drawn, sir.
Okay. See, if there is magnet, then there is dipole moment. So if there is dipole moment, there has to be magnet, ना?
Yes.
मतलब अगर
Yes,
Sn
sir.
है तो m बार है, इसका मतलब m cos थीटा अगर है तो उधर एक मैग्नेट होगा. तो we can consider Sn to be made up of two parts, S1 N1 having dipole moment m cos theta and S2 N2 having dipole moment m sin theta. Moment is always from south to north, इसलिए इधर S लिखा, इधर N. Now can you tell me P S1 N1 का एक्सिस पे है, क्या इक्वेटर पे है कि किधर भी है?
Axis.
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 Axis means field is directed outward from south to north. I'm calling that as B1. Followed?
Yes.
Okay. Is P on the equator of S2 and 2?
Yes.
Yes.
So what will be the direction of dipole moment? Parallel to north to south?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is B2. अब ये दो वेक्टर का मुझे रिजल्टेंट निकालना है, so I can go by parallelogram law. So P Q R T parallelogram बनाया, PR will become resultant magnetic field B bar. Let its angle be alpha with OP. Complete diagram now. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
And that write up written till that or not yet?
Written,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Written.
So can I clean again the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. OS equals to ON equals to L. Till that we have done. Let P be a point at a distance R from center O. A distance R from center O such that line joining OP makes angle theta with axis of dipole. Angle theta with axis of dipole. As m bar is a vector quantity, it can be resolved into two rectangular components, first m cos theta along OP and second m sin theta perpendicular to OP. Thus, Sn can be considered to be made up of two short dipoles, S1 N1 along OP having dipole moment m cos theta, and B S2 N2 perpendicular to OP having dipole moment m sin theta. Solve. Right till this. Done?
Done, sir.
Okay. Point P lies on axis of S1 N1 having dipole moment m cos theta. Therefore, B1 is mu naught upon 4 pi 2 m cos theta upon r cube. Also, P lies on equator of S2 and 2 having dipole moment m sin theta. Therefore, B2 equals to mu naught upon 4 pi m sin theta upon r cube. So, draw parallelogram PQRT. The diagonal PR represents resultant field B bar. Therefore, from figure B square equal to B1 square plus B2 square. That is mu naught upon 4 pi 2m cos theta upon r cube square plus mu naught upon 4 pi m sin theta upon r cube square. Copy this much again.
sir, done.
Okay. All of you have done? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So b square is mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r cube square. So 2 cos theta square plus sine theta square. So b square, when you take square root, it will be mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r cube root of 4 cos square theta plus sine square theta. So mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r cube root of 4 cos square theta plus 1 minus cos square theta. So b equals to mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r cube root of 3 cos square theta plus 1. Similar to electric dipole. Yes, copy. This is magnitude we got.
Done, sir.
Okay. Direction of b bar. Let b bar makes angle alpha with OP. So from figure, tan alpha is opposite side b2 upon b1. So it will become mu naught upon 4 pi m sine theta upon r cube, mu naught upon 4 pi 2m cos theta upon r cube, mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r cube cancel. So this will become half of tan theta. Therefore, alpha is tan inverse of half tan theta. So we got magnitude mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r cube root 3 cos square theta plus 1 and tan alpha is half tan theta. Copy this. Next lecture, theory of magnetism will get over. So moving charge and magnetism or magnetic material we will complete by Friday. Next week we'll try to complete all MCQs. Done. Derive expression for dipole moment of moving charge. Dipole moment is NIA, we know. So we have to express the dipole moment in terms of moving charge. Consider a charge Q moving with velocity v in a circular orbit of radius r. We know that dipole moment capital M is NIA. I is rate of flow of charge, area is pi r square. N upon T means number of turns per unit time is denoted by F, called as frequency. M equals to frequency into Q into pi r square. But F equals to 1 upon time period. That means 1 upon T. So it is 1 upon T into Q pi r square. Please copy till this, 2 more line, then I will get derivation. Done.
No,
What?
sir. Just a second.
Waiting. Done?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me formula for speed? Formula
Distance by time.
distance by time. So time will be distance upon speed, that means. Time period means time taken to complete one revolution. So mass M, I can write Q pi r square and Ts 2 pi r upon V, which is distance upon speed. Pi r cancel. So M equals to Q VR upon 2. So this is formula for dipole for moving charge. So for electrons, m equal to EVR upon 2. For electron means charge is electron, and for alpha particle you can say m is 2e Vr upon 2. That means only EVR, because alpha particle charge is 2 times that of electron. Copy this too. So that means indirectly dipole moment you got as two formula. One is 12m, third is second is NIA, third is QVR upon 2. Three formulas.
Done, sir.
Okay. Define gyromagnetic ratio. It is defined as the ratio of dipole moment to the angular momentum of charge. It is given by lambda equals to m by L, that is QVR upon 2. Angular momentum of moving charge is MVR. So we can cancel VR. It is Q upon 2m. Its SI unit is coulomb per kg. Right.
Done, sir.
Note. For electron gyromagnetic ratio, comma lambda will be E upon 2m. That is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 2 into 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. So 8 into 10 raised to minus 20, 9 into 10 raised to minus 31. 8 by 9 into 10 raised to 11. That is 80 by 9 into 10 raised to 10. 9 8s are 72. 8 8 will be recurring into 10 raised to 10. So you can round off as 8.89, 10 raised to 10 coulomb per kg. Write this note.
Done, sir.
Define magnetization. The net magnetic dipole moment. Net magnetic dipole moment per unit volume of a dipole is called as magnetization. It is given by mz equals to net dipole moment upon volume. Its SI unit is ampere per meter. For a dipole, mz is 2lm upon area into 2l. So this will get cancelled. So it is also m by a. So pole strength per unit area or dipole moment per unit volume. Both are called magnetization, right? Settle?
Done, sir.
Okay. Curie's law for paramagnetic substance. Paramagnetic means iron. Detail we'll do in next class. What are three types of magnetic material? Dimagnetic, paramagnetic, and ferromagnetic. So for paramagnetic substances, the magnetization is directly proportional to the strength of magnetic field B and inversely proportional to absolute temperature T. Therefore, mz proportional B upon T. So mz is some constant into B upon T, where C is constant called as Curie's constant. So it will be different for different material. So this is known as, final line I am writing here, Curie's law. Right. mz equals to C into Bz upon absolute temperature T is Curie's law. Complete this one small definition, last one, then we'll stop.
Done, sir.
Okay. Define magnetic intensity. After the lecture, wait, I have to take attendance. It is defined as the ratio of magnetic field in any medium to the permeability of that medium. It is given by H equals to B upon mu, or if B is in air, then B naught upon mu naught. Its SI unit is ampere per meter. Yes, complete. Now just in one lecture, I'll be able to complete theory of this. Next week, entire week, we'll concentrate on MCQ of magnetic field and magnetism. This Sunday is, I think, 11th and 7, 18. Okay.
So done.
So please study this much and be ready. Next class, I said, I will be correcting book of 4 students. They have to be ready.